Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a small audio component, specifically the #icpart TEA2025B power amplifier board. This is described as a 2.0 channel digital mini amplifier, a stereo amp designed for home sound theater or various DIY audio projects. It's built around the TEA2025B chip, which is a fairly common integrated circuit for low-power audio amplification. The listing indicates it's a generic manufacturer and brand, which is typical for these kinds of small, component-level boards you might find for electronics projects. Looking at the specifications provided, this board offers 3 watts per channel, giving you a total of 6 watts of stereo output. That's not a huge amount of power, but it's certainly enough to drive small speakers for a desktop setup, a portable audio player, or perhaps a small sound system in a bedroom or workshop. The board is quite flexible when it comes to power input, accepting DC voltage from 5 to 12 volts or AC voltage from 5 to 9 volts. This wide range makes it adaptable to various power sources you might have on hand, whether it's a wall adapter, a battery pack, or transformer. The listing mentions the type as voltage regulator and the mounting type as surface mount. Now, based on what this board is designed to do, amplify audio, calling a voltage regulator seems a bit unusual. While amplifiers do involve voltage regulation internally, the primary function of this board is amplification. Similarly, describing the mounting type as surface mount might be referring to the components on the board, as the board itself would typically be mounted using standoffs or screws in an enclosure, not surface mounted to another PCB in the traditional sense. These details might be slight inaccuracies in the product description, but it's worth noting what the listing says. The package is stated to include one set only, which simply means you get one of these amplifier boards. The note about checking compatibility with your original one seems a bit misplaced for a generic component board like this. Compatibility would typically refer to whether the TEA2025B chip and its associated circuit design are suitable for the specific application or circuit you intend to integrate it into. If you're building something from scratch or replacing a TEA2025B in an existing device, then this board should theoretically work, assuming the pinout and supporting components match the standard application circuit for the chip. Overall, this TEA2025B board appears to be a straightforward, low-cost option for adding basic stereo amplification to a project. Its small size and flexible power requirements make it quite versatile for hobbyists and makers looking for a simple audio solution without needing high power output. It's designed for those who understand how to integrate such a component into a larger system, providing the core amplification function for a mini sound setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.